how to select and move a camera. First, let's make our camera node. Let's search camera 2D. Next, let's enable this current. To make this camera the current camera that our user will be looking through. Next, let's make the anchor mode fixed top left. Let's add the script to move the camera. Let's go to our buttons that we are going to press when we are trying to move our camera. This button's name is L, and our objective is to make the camera move to the left. And this button is named R, which has the objective to move the camera to the right. Let's make a pressed signal for both of our buttons. Let's place our code to make the camera node move to the left and right. Type $, then the name of our camera node, dot position, dot x minus equals 100. This will make our camera move 100 pixels. Let's copy this. On the right button, but instead of minus, let's do add. Let's test this out. Let's press the left button, and the camera goes towards the left side, and our right button moves the camera towards our right side. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.